birthday po sa inyo. Kasama natin si Ma'am Maria Villan and Enrique Salazar, Ma'am Maria Victoria and Sir Roy Lopez, Ma'am Veronica and Joe Lakay, and also joining us kasama din po natin si Ma'am Maria Nimpa Madaya and Maria Rica Madaya and Ma'am Maria Rosario Managbanag. And let's also have the presence of our grandchildren to join us in front as we have a photo opportunity kasama ko ang ating main celebrant na si Tatay Concordio. Okay, let's have the daughter first. Ayan. Sige po, tita, sa gitna na lang po ang tingin.